Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, in my case, I'm with Aerial Dances. So today we are going to show you how to verify your address on your Google AdSense. In my case here, I have the Google AdSense pin sent to me. And when I open my Chrome, I'll go and search for Google AdSense. In my case, I have an email sent to me that shows that I received an email here that shows that they sent me the pin code. And this is the second time we attempt to request a pin, and this came in today. We are on 29th of March. I took almost a month to receive it, and also plus the time when it was at the post office. So the Google AdSense pin looks exactly on how you saw it that side, and inside when you open it, you'll get a code that looks like this. In our case, everyone has a different pin and it appears differently in every case. So what happens here, we are going to go, you can either click on down here below, they show you the instructions on how to set these options, and you can just go ahead and click here and then to open another link that will take you to AdSense. In our case, we have a fresh channel here. We have not. And here they're asking for us to put the tags, other things. We have the tags, which we shall do next time. So what we see here, you're going to go ahead and verify and click here. And then to ask you to put the pin. In my case here, we have our pin code here. And I'm going to input it I'm going to input the pin here. The pin is, let me get my keyboard here, very close. Sorry about that. So our pin is 83, then 90, then we have 54. In your case, it would be different. Don't try to input this, and make sure you click submit after this. And this is how you verify your pin. So we are going to cross check again to see everything is good. Yeah, but in your case, you can open the pin. In our case, we managed to see the pin inside. So I'm going to click. They give you 3 attempts whenever you try to input the pin, so don't mess up with guessing 3 times, then they can block you. So I'm going to go ahead and click submit, and then your address has been verified, as you can see. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified. And in my case here, I'm going to just go ahead and quit. We are good to go with verification of our Google account. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.